Number 16. Go online. It means to connect to the internet.
She goes online to read the news every morning. She goes online to read the news every morning. Many people go online to shop for clothes. Many people go online to shop for clothes. He went online to research for his project. He went online to research for his project.
Number 17. Go camping. It means to spend time outdoors in a tent.
This weekend, we're planning to go camping in the woods. This weekend, we're planning to go camping in the woods. They go camping every summer by the lake. They go camping every summer by the lake. She went camping and enjoyed the night sky. She went camping and enjoyed the night sky.
Number 18. Go out with. It means to spend time socially with someone, especially on a date.
He's going out with his friends tonight. He's going out with his friends tonight. She went out with her colleagues last Friday. She went out with her colleagues last Friday. They've been going out together for a year. They've been going out together for a year.
Number 19. Go mad. It means to become very excited or angry.
The crowd went mad when the concert started. The crowd went mad when the concert started. She'll go mad if her team wins the game. She'll go mad if her team wins the game. He went mad when he couldn't find his keys. He went mad when he couldn't find his keys.
Number 20. Go on a trip. It means to travel somewhere.
They're going on a trip to Europe next month. They're going on a trip to Europe next month. She went on a business trip last week. She went on a business trip last week. Let's go on a road trip this weekend. Let's go on a road trip this weekend.